morning and welcome to the vlog here in Frankfurt. It's our fourth day as we wake up to post-Christmas total shutdown here in Germany. Finally everything is open and we are out to explore and enjoy the day. And here I am at a very traditional breakfast place, Brötchen, as they call it, and I'm having a blast. Typical German Brötchen. Fantastic bread and eggs and cheese and ham, alongside with my coffee, orange juice, and Daniel is having his cappuccino, and he's having the same, but obviously he's vegetarian, so he cannot have any meat, so that's it. Catch you in a bit. So as I said earlier, finally, after 3 days of total shutdown here in Germany due to Christmas, today, Tuesday, we finally got out of the house and now on our way to downtown Frankfurt to enjoy some of the city's offerings. And I'm in for some traditional German food in one of my favorite restaurants. Here we are at the Frankfurt's shopping district called Zeil. It's a long promenade, both sides full with shops and commercial stores. Pretty cool. And finally, Germany is back open again after 3 full days of isolation due to Christmas. It's finally nice to see people around. So a little bit of shopping and then head over for my favorite lunch spot for some traditional German food. If one thing I love, the German bakeries, it's amazing. And here we are, one of my favorite traditional German restaurants in Frankfurt downtown, and it's Römer Pilzbrunnen. I used to come here a lot and I'm excited to be back. I can't wait to show you inside. So we're here at the Römer Pilzbrunnen. Is my favorite traditional German restaurant in Frankfurt downtown. I had many choices in the menu to choose from. After a long debate, I went for the Braun Wurst, which is the hot dogs. And Daniel went for the vegetarian option, which is Frankfurter Grünsauce, which is a traditional German vegetarian dish with green sauce. When it comes, I'll show you. He loves it a lot. I have some reservations about it, but I'm sure it's delicious. Anyways, can't wait for the meals.
beer.
Thank you. Look at this deliciousness. Onion soup. One of the best that I ever had. How is it, Daniel?
Good. Delicious.
Yes. Here's Daniel's green sauce dish with potatoes, eggs, and I think 7 different green ingredients that becomes the sauce dressing this meal. So, bon appetit, or like the Germans would say, guten Appetit.
Guten Appetit. Wohlbekommst.
Alright guys, that was a delicious lunch. I highly recommend anybody who comes by to Frankfurt definitely go to Roma here in the Zeal district. It's only like a block away from the main strip, and definitely look for it, Google it, it's fantastic, you will enjoy it for traditional, real traditional German cuisine. So now we're gonna go over to a little bit of sightseeing and potentially maybe even go to Mainz, which is only like 25 miles away from here. So it's a really nice old town by the Rhine River. So yeah, let's continue. Well, hello, we're here in Mainz. We just arrived, and as most of you know, Mainz is an amazing little city west of Frankfurt, a very old city from the times of the Romans. In Latin it's called Maguntia, Magunta, and we're here. And actually, even though it's post-Christmas, the Christmas village is still open, and it's so cute. The city is really, really pretty. It's very old, sitting right on the riverbanks, and it offers so much history, so much culture, great food, and beautiful streets just like this with amazing architecture. So let's have a stroll around. So this building behind me, which used to be the old municipality building, has a little story about it. We're standing right here in the Carnival fountain, and from this balcony behind me, right there, the city officials would still today, since then, every 11th of November at 11 a.m. they would just come out and declare to the all dressed up public that season of the festivals, also known as the 5th season, has officially begun. So that's kind of cool. So this is Germany's second biggest cathedral, called Mainzer Dom. I guess Europe's third biggest, after the first being in Milan. So the second in Köln. And the third is this one here in Mainz. Sitting here in the amazing looking piazza. So for lunch we're here sitting at Jamie's Speisen, which means Jamie's Meals, and it's a really cute, actually burger place, adorable burger joint right by the cathedral in the center piazza here. So looks great. I'll give you my review after I finish eating. We're hungry. All right, that was fantastic. Everything about this Jamie's burger joint is fantastic. It's delicious, highly recommend it. It's right here by the cathedral, and worth coming and trying it out. And now we're finishing our day here in Mainz, and we're gonna take the train off to Frankfurt Airport, as we will be flying to Vienna. We're going to Vienna for the next 3 days before we head back to the United States. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Until the next time, see you on the road.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.